Had a problem with my Porsche 996 where the engine has been misfiring, so I believe the issue was down to the coil pack, so I've replaced them all. The engine management light had come on, and on reading the fault codes it was showing that there was a problem on cylinder 6, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. So I've taken the old coil packs off and they are absolutely in a complete mess. So it's really no surprise that there were engine fault codes being generated and that the engine was misfiring. So that's from cylinder 2. That one is from cylinder 6, and you see it's just completely breaking up. All the plastic housing has come off. I believe this is original, so it's been on the car 22 years, so it's actually lasted fairly well, but obviously it's well past its prime and needing replacing. Put new coil packs on and it now seems to have completely resolved the misfiring problem, so I need to take the car for a proper drive and check it, but certainly on initial startup it's driving, starting fine. And then this is from cylinder 4, which wasn't generating a problem, and if you look at the coil pack on that, it's all in pretty good condition, so it would show that the engine fault codes are actually picking up the correct cylinders that have got a fault. And I noticed this has actually got a 997 part number on it, so this one definitely has been replaced at some point and isn't one of the original ones. All of the others are 996 part numbers and look like they are from the factory.